Okay, good morning once again. So today topic is extremum values of trigonometric identities. That is maximum and minimum values. Let us see. So, for example, concept is what here? F of theta is equal to A cos theta plus B sin theta. So once again, I'm revising this concept. Dear students, listen carefully. So how to find maximum minimum in these cases? So before solving this type of problems, first of all, what is the range of cos theta? Anyone? Range of cos theta? Anyone? What is the maximum? What is the minimum? That is 1 minus minimum is minus 1. Similarly, sin theta is how much? 1, minimum is 1. Similarly, secant theta is how much? Maximum is infinity, minimum is minus 1. Cosecant theta plus infinity, minus infinity. Same tan theta also, same thing. Set of real numbers, minus infinity to plus infinity to minus infinity. Same thing, cot theta also, dear students. In this case, what here? Secant theta must be result belongs to minus 1 to 1. Similarly, cosecant theta is also result belongs to minus 1 to 1. Fine. But if I'm taking sine square theta, what is the range? That is 0 to 1. So please observe this type of problems. What about cos square? 0 to 1. Secant square theta, cosecant square theta, what is the range? Belongs to any 1. 1 to infinity, yes. Now, f of theta is given. A cos theta plus B sin theta plus C. How to convert this one? Here A means I'm taking R sin alpha, sin pi. B is equal to R cos pi, told you last time. And f of theta is how much? Means R into sin of A plus B format is coming C plus C. Dear students, from these cases, what you are observing, A square plus B square is how much is coming? That is R square. That means R is how much? Root over A square plus B square. We'll discuss later this one. Fine. Theta plus pi means one angle. What is the range? Minus 1 to 1. Now multiply with R on both sides. Minus R less than or equal to R into sin theta minus pi. Adding C. So C plus R into sin of theta minus pi. C plus R. Now, so in this case, what is this one? Anyone? That is f of theta. That means range of f of theta is how much? Anyone? C minus R comma C plus R. That is C plus or minus root over R means how much? A square plus B square. Please write down these formulas. Today we discuss various forms of trigonometric identities. We discuss how to find range. Easy to different level we discuss. So after completing, please tell me I can proceed. So thoroughly should revise what is the range of sine theta, cos theta, cot theta, like this. These values are very, very important. So in the next exam, syllabus is 1 and total syllabus is trigonometry up to transformations, including maximum and minimum. Please revise, okay? Syllabus is what? Maximum, minimum, and transformations up to transformations. Now see, yeah, I'm proceeding for the next slide. See, now based on this one, how they're asking. For example, maximum and minimum of, first I'm giving easy level questions, dear students. 3 sine theta minus 4 cos theta plus 7 is given. Okay. What to do here? Given f of theta is given 3 sine theta minus 4 cos theta plus 7 is given. So dear students, here what is the a? Compare that with 3, b is minus 4, c is 7. Once again I'm saying here a can be taken as minus 4 and b is 3 also, no problem. Final answer is same. So what is the range formula in a1? That is c minus root over a square plus b square. So c plus root over, yeah, a square plus b square. 7 minus root over, so how much coming? 7 minus 5, another one is 7 plus 5. So minimum is how much, dear students? Maximum is 12. Yeah. Range of 1 minus 2 sine square x. What is the answer? Good response. Good. Everyone responding. Thank you. Net problem is there here. That's why I'm changing net connection. How to solve these type of problems? Dear students, we know that what is the range of sine square x? Yes, but in this case, I'm not using formula. So simple, maximum is 1, minimum is 0. Directly put this value, that is the answer. Shortcut method. Otherwise, multiply with minus 2. Whenever you are multiplying with minus, inequalities interchanging, I think all of you know. 2 less than 3. Multiply with minus means what? Minus 3 less than minus 2. But in this case, 1 is their function. Just add 1 on both sides. So 1 minus 2 less than or equal to. So what is the answer? Minus 1. That is the answer. So in this case, what is the maximum of sine square x? 1. Minimum of cos square x is how much? I mean, sine square x is how much? 0. So directly put these values in the given equation. That is the answer. This is shortcut method. So what is the range? Minus 1 to 1. Last time we discussed one question. What is that? See, generally, I'm asking only minimum of sine of theta plus pi by 3, pi by 6 plus cos theta plus 1. How to find N1? So in this case, dear students, don't apply formula this formula. Why? Because this angle is different, this angle is different. See carefully. But how to approach this type of model here? First of all, you can every time you can expand this one. Sine of a plus b, please anyone? Sine theta. Cos 30 means how much, dear student? That is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos theta plus cos theta plus 1 as it is, this one as it is. Yes. Now see carefully what I'm doing. Root 3 by 2 sine theta. You should add them. That is 3 by 2 cos theta. Dear student, this is look like a sine theta plus b cos theta plus r. Now my question is, what is the minimum? That is c minus r. I mean root over a square plus b square. C is how much? 1 minus root over a square is how much? 3 by 4. B square is how much? 9 by 4. Dear student, see 1 minus 12 by 4. So that is answer is 1 minus root 3. What is the maximum? 1 plus root 3. Maximum is C plus. Now I am going to give some formulas. Be ready. Okay. Shall I proceed, dear students? Okay. But you should practice more problems. Okay. I can give some examples. See. So, dear students, see carefully. Sine theta cos theta is given. Karthik, yes, Karthik, yeah, good listening. Sine theta cos theta. So, what is the minimum? Minus 1. Maximum is 1. I'm giving an example. Immediately see. Example. Suppose sine cube x, cos power 5x. That is the meaning. Getting my point? Cos x, sin x. So for these cases, what is the maximum anyone, dear student? That is maximum is 1. Minimum is, that is the meaning. You should understand like that. Maximum is 1, minimum is minus 1. That is the meaning examples. 1. 2. Suppose power is even. Sin power 100x, cos square x, sin power 4x, cos power 6x. These cases, what is the maximum, dear students? Is 1. Minimum is 0. Sin power nx or cos power nx. Maximum is how much? 1. If n is odd or even, no problem. But what is the minimum? Anyone? Is again two cases are there. Odd means -1 is coming. Even means 0 is coming. That means you should write n is even, n is odd. So these type of notes you should prepare yourself in your notebook. So remaining what you are observing, like this, tan theta, cot theta. Odd power means what is the case? The best example, tan cube x, cot x. Such type of cases, what the answer is coming? Minimum is minus infinity, maximum is plus infinity. Sin square x, cos power 4x. This is what, sin x, cos cube x, like that. In this case, tan square x, cot power 4x, that is the meaning. Secant x, cosecant cube x. Secant square x, cosecant power 4x. So like that, see examples. So try to give your own examples every time. So dear students, what is the minimum value of secant square x? 1. Why? What is the range? Every time 1 to infinity, no? Secant square x and cosecant square x. Yes. Only by practicing only it will be easy. After completing, tell me. I will give one question. Writing this one, minimum maximum, make the table. Okay, very good. Dear students, minimum of tan square x plus cot square x. Anyone? See, you're taking so much time. What is the minimum? Yes, in this case, both are reciprocal to each other. Yes, someone is responding. Let me see what is the answer. Yes, 2 is correct answer, correct. Both are positive and both are reciprocal to each other means using AM is greater than or equal to GM. X plus Y by 2, two elements are there, greater than or equal to root over tan square x into cot square x. Both are cancelled. So therefore, greater than or equal means but divided with 2, mean multiply with 2. So minimum is how much, dear students? 2. Right? Today we discuss. I will try to complete all the models. I want to discuss different type of models. So you can solve any question. See. Okay. Is the next slide. So please remember this one already just now discussed. Idea is there. Okay. I have given proof also. A cos theta plus B sin theta plus C. So what is the minimum, dear students? Minus root over A square plus B square. Maximum is root over A square plus B square. A sin square theta plus B cos square theta, suppose given. What is the minimum? B. If B is less than A. See carefully these cases. I am asking one question. See the formulas carefully. Maximum of 4 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta is anyone? 5. Yes. What is the minimum? 4. So these type of observations are very, very important. Yes. Minimum, maximum is okay. Different question. 2. So our model is sufficient for this case. Dear students, from this case, what you are observing? 2 times root AB maximum means you cannot find that one. So how we are getting 2 root AB? Using just now derived. Anyone remembering? Using AM is greater than or equal to GM. That one given as Sigma C proof just now. AM is greater than or equal to GM. What is the formula? X plus Y by 2 greater than or equal to root over XY. X means A tan square theta, B means Y means B cos square theta. Can apply. Not applicable means what you cannot find what is the maximum. That is infinity, up to infinity. That is the meaning. But sir, when we have to use AMGM means here, see, if X is A sin square theta, Y is what? Cosecant square theta. What you are observing, both are reciprocal to each other. See, sin, cosecant both are cancelled. Tan, cot both are cancelled. Secant and cos both are cancelled. So at that time only it will be easy applying AM is greater than or equal to GM. So dear students, I'm writing one question here. How to solve? Minimum of anyone. What to say? 9 secant square theta. Tell me anyone. Plus 4 cosecant square theta is how much anyone? Sure. So what is the formula, dear students? What is the minimum value? 2 times root AB. Okay, that is 2 into root AB is how much now? 9 into 4. So 2 into 6, answer is 12. But same question see I'm asking, minimum of 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta plus 7 is there, for example. 7 is there. Then what is the answer? Just add 7. Correct. Okay. The minimum, yeah. 12 plus 7 minimum. You should add the minimum. Minimum is always coming. Just both sides, adding 7 on both sides. So answer is how much? 19. So answer is how much? 19. Alright, this one is a cosecant square theta. Yeah, did you see the just a minute, Anna? Yes. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Now, okay. So how much is coming? 90. Answer is coming 90. Yeah, I'm ready by mistake. I wrote here cos square theta. Good. Yeah. Now see the question. 9 cos secant square theta plus 4 cos square theta. What is the formula? Last formula. See. So 12 plus 7. What the answer is coming? Minimum 12. 19. Okay, fine. Okay. But I'm changing same question. See. Yeah. Negative sign is not possible. Perfect come is let us see. Okay. Let us see. See, dear students, once again I'm giving. This one already completed. See, sixth one just not completed. So n sin theta or n cos theta if they're giving, okay, na? Separate this one. Question is what? Now, suppose sometimes they're asking 2 cos theta like that or 4 sin theta, for example, like that. 4 sin theta means for the maximum 4, minimum is minus 4, like that. They give examples. So, dear student, this is the product. N sin theta into cos theta. What is the maximum? N by 2. Minimum is minus n by 2. Sin power n theta minus cos power n theta. Best example, dear students. What is the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta? What is the maximum? What is the minimum? This is the answer. 1 by 2 power n or minus 2 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Means n is equal to 4. Sometimes they are giving 4. Means sin power 4. One more example, sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, like that. A sin theta plus b cos theta. Just I told you, plus c is there, means c plus or minus. Dear student, just I'm adding one more point. A sin theta plus b cos theta plus c is there, dear students. So what is the minimum, dear student? C minus root over a square plus b square. This is the maximum. What is the minimum? C minus root over a square plus b square. Just adding these points. So here also, a sin square theta plus b cos square theta. Earlier we discussed. This once again I'm saving. If a is greater than b, then maximum is always a. If b greater than a, maximum is b. That's the meaning. Remaining as usual. So I will go on question. How to approach? See, just listen. Don't worry, everyone should solve easily. I'm explaining different type of models. Just I'm giving formula. Yes. First, you should concentrate on only formulas. So apart from this case, suppose if they are given different questions, how to solve this type of model? See, we'll explain. Next question, see. See. Find minimum of 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta plus 7. Don't confuse. Earlier I have given 4 cos square theta, but this time I'm giving 4 cosecant square theta. Suppose. Then how to apply? Here we cannot apply AM GM concept. Why? Because both are not reciprocal. Then what the logic is there? Yes, correct. So these type of models every time we are using, converting into using trigonometry identities. What is the secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta, and the cosecant square theta is how much, dear students? 1 plus cot square theta. Sir, what is the logic? Why you are converting means both are reciprocal here. Now come to the question. F of theta is how much? 9 into 1 plus tan square theta. I'm writing step by step. See. So dear students, what is the answer? See carefully. 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. 9 plus 4 plus 7, please tell me. 9 plus 4, 13. That means answer is 20. Okay, constant term is 20. Dear students, I am focusing only these two terms. This is the x1, this is the x2. Later we can see constant. What I'm saying, x1 plus y1 by 2 greater than or equal to x1 y1. Why? Because both are reciprocal to each other. That means 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. How much? 2 times root over x1 is how much? 9 tan square theta, 4 cot square theta. What to do here? Both are cancelled. Root over 36, 6. That means 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta is how much, dear students? 12. So this is minimum. Still one term is missing. What is that? 20. Just adding 20 on both sides. Adding 20 on both sides. We can get 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta plus 20. So 20 plus 12. What this is nothing but what? This is same as 9 secant square theta plus 7. So what is the minimum? So minimum is, dear students, sometimes they're giving answer also. Minimum is k, then sum of digits of k. Anyone? Minimum is k, then the sum of the digits of k. Fine, beautiful. That's all. You should be ready. You can ask anyway. Yeah. So one more model. How do you proceed? This time same question I'm giving. See, dear students. Okay. 25 secant is there. Cot square theta, for example. Okay. 9 tan square theta. What is the minimum, anyone? Minimum of solution. But in this case, this much process is not required. Why? Because directly both are reciprocal, dear students. Anyone? By 2 rather than or equal to directly 25 into 9, both are cancelled. 25 means 5. 5 into 3, 15. That means 25 cot square theta. What we should multiply 2 na? 2 into 15. So answer is how much? 30. I hope 5, 3 yes. So therefore, dear students, minimum of 25 cot square theta, 9 tan square theta, just adding 2 on both sides. That is the answer. I am asking minimum, Sanjana, see, minimum. Is it clear or not? See, 25 means 5, 5 into 3, 15, 15 to 30. Yes. After that, adding 2, that is the question. Okay, no problem. Sometimes happening mistake, don't worry. Now I'm giving idea, okay? Now, variety question I'm discussing. Right, all of you? Is it visible clearly, this color, all of you? Okay. So, where is the logic? AM is greater than or equal to GM. So, only this is the logic. See the question carefully, dear students, and only please respond. Now, another question, see, how do you approach it? Dear student, this is a different model. Maximum value of 1 by sine square theta plus 3 sine theta cos theta plus 5 cos square theta directly. the solution. First of all, I'm asking once again, dear students, once again, same question. What to do here? First of all, I'm considering only denominator. Clear? Yeah, see careful. What is the denominator? Sin square theta plus 3 sin theta cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. Listen carefully. Now, see. Convert into same angle. One is cos square, like this is not possible. 5 means I'm breaking this one. See how to write? See 1 plus why 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 3 by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 cos square theta. Any doubt is there? Tell me anyone till now. What is the answer, CD, dear students? 5 means 1 plus 4, split into 2 terms, 1 plus 4. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Multiply and divide with 2. Anyone? What is this one, anyone? 2 sin theta cos theta. Anyone remembering? Multiple angle sin 2 theta plus 4 cos square theta means 2 into 2 cos square theta. How to write? 1 plus cos 2 theta. That's what I'm saying, everyone. I'm writing formula C, dear students. 2 sin theta cos theta is how much? So 2 cos square theta. So I'm using these two formulas. Fine. What is required? 1 plus 2. So 3. 3 by 2 sin 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta. This is look like A cos theta, A cos 2 theta plus B sin 2 theta plus C. Anyone, what is the range of this one? Anyone remembering? What is the range? That's the meaning. Now, see carefully. C means 3 minus root over C plus or minus. What is the range? Directly find out what is the range? 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 whole square. So please help me. 3 by 2 is how much, Rano? 9 by 4. So that means 5 by 2 is coming. So 6 plus or minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2. Correct? Or 11 by 2. That means what, Rano? 1 by 2 less than or equal to. See carefully, I'm writing now, dear students. This is the question. Carefully see. What is the minimum? 1 by 2. 2 cos 2 theta plus 3 by 2 sin 2 theta less than or equal to 11 by 2. Maximum is 11 by 2. But this is not question now. What is the question? This one. What to do here, anyone? So how many of you remembering? Just let me see. Don't write this one. I'm giving idea. Are 2 less than x less than 3? What is the reciprocal, anyone? Can you accept this point? See? Yes, reciprocal. Can you accept this point, all of you? I think it is coming in 7th class, 8th class, I think so. Yes, I'm right. But don't write this example. Yeah. You are studying in IIT. Clear? Now, okay. Are see science engineering, is it possible 2 greater than 3? You're writing? 2 greater than 3 is possible? Okay, some silly mistakes, no problem. Now I'm arranging. That's why I'm saying one more example. Some students are confusing. Generally, 2 less than 3. Multiply with minus, what is the answer? Less than or greater than? So these type of observations are very important. So don't write that one examples, leave it. So I'm erasing. Sometimes happening mistakes, don't worry. Now come to the point. So dear students, what is this? I'm writing, see carefully, 1 by 2. What is that? Sin square theta. 3 sin theta cos theta. 5 cos square theta. Accepting that value? Now what they're asking reciprocal. Reciprocal means what the answer now? 11 by 2 means 2 by 11. 1 by sine square theta plus 3 sine theta cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. Yes, sir, how much, dear students? 2. Now please tell me what is the maximum value anyone? 2. Advanced means we can discuss like these questions. Now I'm discussing one easy question, funny question, okay? So how many of you are responding? Let me see. I'm giving one funny question. Tell me anyone. Who will respond? Let me see. Ready? Shall I proceed, dear students? So I'm asking one by one. See, ready? So order is not important. Which one of these you can solve, dear students? This is the question. See. Right now, try these questions, practice at home. Please write down, all of you. Practice at home. This is the DPP for you. Daily practice problems. Doubt is there, tomorrow discuss. F of x is equal to 4 sine square x plus 1. Second one, 1 by 3 minus 2 cos 4x. Third one, what is that? 1 by 2 cos square x plus 3 sine square x. That is the question. So third one is 1 by 2 cos square x plus 3 sine square x. Ready? Dear students, tell me what is the answer. This one I'm giving one question. Be ready? Fine. Who will respond? See the question carefully, then I'll please respond. Okay. Find the range of cos square 4x plus secant square 4x. Anyone? Tell me at least minimum value. 2. Beautiful, correct. Simple. How? Cos square 4x is there, no problem. See, both are reciprocal. Angles are same. See carefully. Both are reciprocal. AMGM concept. So means what here? Using AM is greater than or equal to GM. So means what? Cos square 4x plus secant square 4x by 2 greater than or equal to how much? 1. Both are cancelled now. That's why. So minimum is 2. Maximum is undefined. We don't know, that is not applicable. So maybe someone is asking, sir, is there any another method? But every time you're using AMGM, sometimes you are getting idea AMGM. If anybody interested, I can proceed for the next method. Anyone? Yes, sir. Just I'm checking, just a minute. See, second method. But the first one is easy method, okay? This is the easy method. Second method. Second method is the actual procedure, actually. First method is shortcut. This is shortcut. See carefully. F of x is given how much? Cos square 4x plus. Now, dear students, what I'm doing, see carefully. A square plus b square is there. Still, what is the term is missing? Plus 2ab. That means what here? Cos 4x minus secant 4x whole square plus. Anyone having objection? Tell me immediately. A minus b whole square plus 2ab is how much? Or no? A square plus b square. Anyone having doubts? Raise your hand. That's what I'm doing. Adding 2ab plus 2ab. Okay. But you should ask me one question here. Sir, why you are not writing a plus b whole square minus 2ab? Don't write like that. Every time a minus b whole square. Because this one is 0, then this one is getting minimum value. So means what here? Both are cancelled. So 2 plus cos 4x minus secant 4x whole square. So minimum is how much? Always 2, because this value is converting to 0. So minimum is how much? 2. That is the answer. So wait, I'm giving one more question. How to solve? Dear students, minimum of tan square x plus cot square x. Of course, everybody knows AMGM. First method is what? AMGM. Okay, yeah. Minimum is 2. Okay, accepted. What is the actual method? See, tan square x plus cot square x. So what I'm doing? Plus 2 minus 2. So how to write? Tan x minus cot x whole square plus 2. So minimum is how much? 2 means you should understand 2 into tan x into cot x. That is the minimum. So last question from this slide. Please write down. I will be sometime write down. Completed? Yes. Anyone challenge this one? Range of 1 by 5 sin x minus 6. Anyone? Or plus 6, no problem. What is the answer? Solution. How do you proceed? So, dear students, see, I have given DPP in a second question, and this one both are same. Accepting same models. This one and this one same. Both are same models. You can see approach is same. First of all, we are considering denominator. Okay, now, dear students, what is the range of sin x? Anyone heard of it? Minus 1 to 1. multiply with 5 minus 5 sin x. Is not visible properly. Yes. So 5 sin x less than or equal to 5. Still what to do here, dear students? Adding 6 on both sides. How much? 1 less than or equal to 5 sin x plus 6 less than or equal to 5 plus 6 means 11. Now reciprocal. Reciprocal means what to do here, dear students? Anyone? So 1 by 11 less than or equal to 1 by 5 sin x plus 6 less than or equal to 1 by 1. So what is the range? Anyone? That means 1 by 5 sin x plus 6 belongs to 1 by 11 comma 1. So what it makes some students may be confusing what to do here. In the place of x, you can take any value 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60, 90. Output is always lies between 1 by 11 to 1 by 11 comma 1. Check it. Or put x is equal to 0, Nana. What is your answer? Suppose x is equal to 0, sin 0, 0. So 1 by 6 is there. See, is there or not 1 by 6 between this interval? Take x equal to 45 degrees, 0, 90, anything. Put x is equal to 90, sin 90 is 1. So 1 by 5 plus 6 means 1 by 11 is there. So like that, you can apply this one. Yes, 1 by 11 comma 1. Okay, minimum is 1 by 11. You should understand. Maximum is 1. So conclude every time. Keep in conclusion is there. Keep in box every time. Ready? So I'm giving one funny question. Who will respond immediately? By seeing the question, who will respond? Ready? So shall I proceed for next slide, dear students? Just that's why I'm saying every time, listen the class from the beginning to ending every time. Okay. Sure. Find the range of 2 into modulus of cos x minus 3. Anyone? Find the range of 2 times modulus of cos x minus 3. First tell me, what is the range of cos x actually, Nana? Dear students, minus 1 to 1. But modulus of cos x means, that is the meaning. Be careful, see. So mod cos x range is how much? 0 to 1 only. Negative values are not possible. Now come to the question. Multiply with 2 on both sides, see. Multiply with 2 means 2 into mod cos x. Again, what we have? What to do? Adding minus 3. So what is the range? Range of 2 mod cos x minus 3 belongs to what? Minus 3 to minus 1. How do you know? Please verify anyone. Put some values, anyone. Put x is equal to 0. Cos 0 is how much? 1. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. Take x is equal to 90. Cos 90 is 0. So minus 3 is there. So for any value of x, so output is always what on a minus 3 to minus 1. That is the meaning. So minimum is minus 3, maximum is minus 1. So I am giving one more question, but this question practice at home. Don't say the answer, okay? TPP. Find range of 1 by 2 times modulus of cos x minus 3. This is the question. So you can practice at home this one. Now I'm giving another question. See. Please write down this question. Find minimum of, please, this is a very, very important, this is an excellent question. Sin theta plus cosecant theta plus cos theta plus secant theta. What is the answer? First to write the question, try to understand. I think modulus concept idea is there, no? Okay, let me excuse me. Okay, see. So, dear students, what is the function is given? First of all, sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is given. Yeah. Now, good. So, first of all, how to first expand this one? Yeah, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2ab means 2 1 because both are cancelled plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2, that is the f of theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is how much? 1, 2 plus 2. Cosecant square theta means how to write 1 plus cos square theta formula identity. Secant square theta means 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, tan square theta plus cos square theta, what is the answer is coming? 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus how much? 7. But minimum is how much? 2. So, tan square theta plus cos square theta plus 7 mean what is the minimum value? 9. That is the answer. So, I'm giving funny question. See, just already I have given formulas. Ready? While writing, find least value of, by seeing the question immediately tell me 2 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta. Anyone here students, what is the least value? What is the maximum? So, so these type of observations are very important. Good. All of you responding very good, very well. Okay. So once go back to previous slides once again. First 5 minutes I'm revising once again. Dear students, see, after we discuss some problems. Once again, see all of you. What is the f of theta? A cos theta plus b sin theta plus. Before going to discussing about this one, concept is what? Range of f of theta. So first of all, what is the range of cos theta? Minus 1 to 1. Maximum is 1, minimum is minus 1. I wrote here, see carefully. Similarly, tan theta, cot theta. Now, what is the range of modulus of sin theta? Is same as range of sin square theta. Be carefully. Similarly, secant square theta, comma cosecant square theta means for these two trigonometric identities, range is 1 to infinity. Now this is the question. Last time we discussed this pattern idea is there. Now the range multiply with R, adding C. What is the range? C plus or minus root over a square plus b square. Once again, see. This is the question. 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta plus 7. See carefully. A is equal to 3 or minus 4. According to that one, B is also changing. This is the simple way. Range of 1 minus 2 sin square x means, shortcut method is maximum of sin square x is 1. Minimum is 0. Directly put this value. Fine. So what the range is coming here? -1 to 1 is coming, dear students. But see, these type of problems are very important. Question number 3. You can expect in the examination, dear students, coming exam, minimum or maximum, anything, sine of theta plus pi by 6 plus cos theta plus 1. But here angles are not equal. So see, in this case, question is what? Angles are same, then only apply this formula. So minimum is c minus root over a square plus b square after expanding sine of a plus b. Fine. Maximum is, So this, please revise this formula. Sine theta cos theta. Sine cube x cos cube x. So like that they can ask what is the minimum value of sine power 2020 x. Is anyone what is the answer? That's all. Good. So maximum means same question 1 is coming. So good. That's why I'm giving formulas. Okay. Maybe these formulas are very helpful for you. Good. First of all, I'm saying thanks to all of you listening carefully. Good. So I'm giving some examples. So try to give your own examples also. So cos power 5x, or the maximum or the minimum. Sine for 100x. I think you can see, I wrote it. This is the conclusion I'm giving. Next. See the next one slide. Just to discuss it. A sine theta plus b cos theta or minus, no problem. Anyhow, plus or minus root over a square plus b square, that is the range. So just to discuss 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta. That's the last question. Discuss it. And see the third table, third row. So when we are getting 2 times root over AB, both are reciprocal to each other. That's very carefully. So these are the models. So please revise this one also, all of you. That's why I'm discussing different type of models, dear students. See. So why you are converting to tan cot? Convert reciprocals. That's the logic. So here also same thing. Minimum or maximum, anything. So write down here, use what the concept since using AM is greater than or equal to GM. AM means what? Arithmetic mean? Geometric mean. That is the meaning. Okay. Now see, this is a good question here. Maximum value of 1 by sine square theta. So this one little confusing. Think so? So once again practice these questions. Please. This is the required question. F of theta is equal to 3 plus 3 by 2 sine 2 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta. Why? Because here, now see, angles are same now. Degree is also 1. Power is 1. So apply C plus or minus root over a square plus b square. So this is the pattern. So I'm giving one variety question. I'm giving now one quadratic equation, one trigonometric identity, both are combining. How they're asking. That's what I'm saying. Listen, from beginning to ending, I'm saying that's why patience is required. So what is the minimum here? Minimum is how much? 2. Maximum is greatest value is 3. Least value is 2. Fine. Now see another question. So sometimes variety question. This one see if x square minus 3x plus 3 is equal to sine square theta. Variety question. Okay. Is meaningful. Meaningful means solution is there. Then find the value of x. Find the values of x. Solution is that they're saying. Is meaningful means it is a solution is there. Then how to approach. So who created this question? I don't know. Really adds up to him. First of all, what the logic is there? Anyone? What is the logic? So how many of you know what is the range of sine square theta, dear students? How many of you are accepting? What is the range of sine square theta? Yes, 0 to 1. Yeah. Now, but sine square theta is what is the value of sine square theta? That is x square minus 3x plus 3 less than or equal to 1. That is the answer. So one is what? X square minus 3x plus 3 and x square minus 3x plus 3 less than or equal to 1. Solve them. That is the answer. Case 1. Case 2. So x square minus 3x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0 is given. It is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is what enough for any x is any real number in this case. What about this case? So x minus 1 into x minus 2. What the meaning is coming here? Closed interval 1 comma 2. This is a 1. This is a 2. So what is the common solution for these two cases? Common solution is 1 comma 2. That is the answer. Check it. Closed interval 1 comma 2. Take any value. Those values always lies between 0 to 1. See. Take x is equal to 1. What is your answer? 1 is coming again. So sine square theta is coming 1. See, check it. Take 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 3, 0 0.3, 0 0.5, 2 by 3, anything. Whatever you are taking the values, it should be lies between 1 comma 2 only. So what is the range of sine square theta? 0 to 1 is coming. See. Don't worry, I'm giving one more model. Write down. Find y. For example, x y square minus 2y, y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to cos square theta. Is a solution. What is the answer? Where it is possible? Y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to cos square theta. How to write this one? Y minus 1 whole square is equal to cos square theta. Cos square theta means lies between 0 to 1. 0 to y minus 1 whole square less than 1. So strictly, there are two cases are there. Or y minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Simplify, that is the answer. By observation only clearly check it what the answer is coming. Simplify. That is the answer. After that, take the common solution. So dear students, enough for this class. So please revise once again, okay? This chapter is very, very important, I'm saying, okay? We'll discuss number of questions today. Otherwise, I will give some questions. Shall I give some questions, DBP questions also, extra DBP? Right on? We will find out tomorrow, tell me. Yeah. Some of you asking. Yes, very good. Yes, I'm giving easy level questions, okay? Already I have given 5 questions, I think so. Right on, DBP questions, all of you. 1. Range of 7 sin x minus 24 cos x plus 25. 2. Question is range, okay? For each and every question, 1 is the 1, 2 better. 2. 2 cos square x plus 3. 4. 5 cos x, 5 cos theta minus 12 sin theta. 3, 4. 1 by 3 mod sin x plus 3. 5. 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 3. 6. Concept is one, range I'm asking. Cos x means cos y plus 3 root 2 sin of y plus pi by 4 plus 6. 7. Cos square x plus secant square x, tan square x plus cot square x plus 2. I think so. Sufficient, still needed. 9 secant square x plus 16 cosecant square x. What is your answer? Enough for these cases, please tell me. So all of you submit these questions, okay? Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day. Please complete the questions. Probably tomorrow we'll discuss maximum. After that we start trigonometric equations. Maybe. That is also there. Trigonometric equations also there. Be careful, including trigonometric equations. Thank you, Santosh.